Thank you for joining us for our video proposal by Evan, Denise, Karen, Cameron, and Emily for Creating Digital Tools Assignment 3A. Our topic is Interactive Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Training, a tool to increase the understanding of DEI in the workplace and beyond.
This virtual diversity, equity, and inclusion training tool is perfect for employees or individuals that want to get the basic understanding of DEI in a fun and engaging way. This tool is an interactive training module with special features that include multiple interactive features, self-guided learning, short simulation, visuals, as well as opportunities for self-reflection throughout. After using this training tool, you will have the ability to define diversity, equity, and inclusion. You'll have gained the understanding of inclusion in relation to yourself and your place of work. You'll have the ability to differentiate and define the difference between equity and equality. And you'll have opportunities for reflection on past behaviors and your new current understanding.
Audience and educational context. The audience for this project would be for employers and employees who feel they need to implement some diversity, equity, and inclusion training. And it could also be used for individuals who have heard of the term DEI and would like to learn more. Educational context is still up for discussion with our group members, as we feel there is some overlap from the learning objectives. It was just a matter of how we wanted to word it, but the rest is there. The interactive and inclusive features are as follows. We will be using accessible fonts such as Calibri or Arial, as these are proven to be the most accessible for all readers. Our color palette will also be tested for its accessibility using one of the color palette accessibility testers online. Each of our videos will have the option for closed captioning for the viewer, and we try to provide a video or visual for each of our resource or links. And our site is designed for the learner to explore at their own pace and is non-linear as far as how the information is learned. This is part of the reason why we chose a Google site, so it can be explored at the learner's own pace.
Potential platforms or software or apps that will be used. We will utilize a Google site as our central hub from which we will provide easy access to various learning resources. These resources include links to Google Slides, Google Forms, short simulations, flashcards, as well as educational videos on YouTube. By consolidating these resources within our Google site, we aim to simplify the learning process and promote a more efficient and effective learning process.
How our group plans to review the learning object for efficiency within a particular context. Well, we plan on creating tools with measurable metrics. An example of this might be a Google form, where you can see what people have answered, you can see a breakdown, you can see, where people may have differing ideas. And the importance of measurable metrics in this scenario is that it's going to allow us to identify which areas we need to restructure, as well as where our learning objective has been successful. We can take a look and say, we on our first test run, maybe we didn't get the answers we were looking for in one scenario, and we are going to refine and improve for our, next go through.